Hopefully this sounds okay. I'm out near Yarra Junction and this is another Great Rides of Oz. I'm riding the 29k's between Yarra Junction and Gembrook. I'll put a map in the description. Let's get to it. I can definitely say Black Spur this is not. The road's bumpy, not smooth, the surrounding greenery is less lush and less green. And whereas Healesville has wineries, craft breweries and boutique shops, I'm not sure what Gembrook has beyond its IGA and op shop. But this ride is still great, plenty of bends but also more opportunity to roll the throttle. Me shut up now. I think I can explain the difference between Black Spur and this run. Black Spur is the Brazilian football team, great to look at, known and loved by all. The run between Gembrook and Yarra Junction is the Dutch side, technically great but unlikely to win any prizes. Sorry if you don't follow football. Okay, my post-ride thoughts. This is a fun-flowing ride. There are a few tight corners where a Gumby like me has to slow right down, but overall it's a faster ride than the Black Spur. And it's a popular ride. There were plenty of riders and drivers doing this road, either in its own right or on the way to Black or Reefton Spurs. It may not be as attractive as the Brazilian football team, but we all know how classy Dutch footballers are. The ride is almost over and I'm finding it hard to ride and talk at the same time, so I'll sign off. Definitely check out this ride when you get a chance. The Dutch were footballing pioneers after all, and you're not far away from Black Spur and Reefton Spur if you want to extend the ride. Thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!